On today's video, we're going to replace the vacuum belt on the sanitary vacuum.
You got 3 screws, one there.
You got one right here.
And then your third one is right here in the back. These are number 2 Phillips screws. Just remove all 3 of those and then lift up your front cover. And there's our belt.
The belt broke.
Okay, got a new one.
Okay, we'll just slide in the new belt right here at the shaft, the motor shaft. Then lift up your brush and just stretch it in. Like that. Fit right in the groove. Very simple.
And there it is there.
Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.